A simple way to take your Echo skills to the next level is by using the Groups feature. You can use groups to organize students into collaborative teams, group students by skill level and use those groups to differentiate, and to identify groups based on performance in your class. Once you have established your groups, you can use them to filter nearly any Echo page that has a list of students. In this video, we will cover how to create groups and how to manage them, as well as how to use groups to filter within other Echo pages. To get started, make sure you are logged into Echo as a teacher. Open the People tool for a course that you want to create groups in. Remember that there are no students in your master course, so you can't create groups there. You must create groups in your derivative courses where the students are enrolled. In the top toolbar, click the Tools icon and select Manage Groupings. Next, select Add Groupings. In the pop-up, you can fill out the fields that allows Echo to generate groups for you. If you want to manually create your groups and add students, you can click Cancel and use the Add Group button in the upper right-hand corner. Start by giving this set of groups a name. For example, if this group set is for project teams, you might use the project name. If the group set will be used to identify ability groups, you might use Ability Groupings as the name. It is important to note that students will not be able to see the labels you give your groups. Next, determine if you want a fixed number of groups or if you'd like to use the target number of students per group. I'm going to select a fixed number of groups so I can decide how many groups I want to have. In the next field, I'll enter the number of groups I want. The last field allows you to choose how Echo will assign students to the group. Selecting None means you will be manually assigning students to their groups. If you want Echo to assign the students, you have several options, including random, round robin, or alphabetically. You can even use student performance data to create heterogeneous or homogeneous groups. When all the appropriate adjustments are made, click Generate. Echo will display each group and indicate which group each student belongs to. You can quickly see which student is in each group by clicking the group header. This gives you an opportunity to review and adjust the groups as needed. To manually place a student into a group or move a student to a different group, simply click the appropriate box under the group name. You can also change the names of each group. If you want to rename each group within this group set, click the Edit Groups icon in the upper right-hand corner. Adjust your group names however you'd like. Once you have renamed your groups, click OK. Once your groups are completely ready, click Save in the upper right-hand corner. Now your group set will appear on your Manage Grouping page. You can create as many different forms of groups as you'd like. If you ever need to move a student from one group to another, or if you need to adjust groups, you can always come back to your Manage Groupings page to make adjustments. Now that we have groups created, we can filter by groups on many different pages within your course. Within the Gradebook tool, under the Students tab, if you select the Filter button, you can choose to filter students by group. Within the People tool, if you select the Filter button, you can choose to filter students by group. Now that you know how to create groups, take some time now to create groups in your course.